Mallinckrodt is one of the oldest newly independent companies. This drug company has been around for over 145 years. I'm joined by the CEO, Mark Trudeau. So your company is in pain medication. It's a very profitable area. Although there are some concerns about the addictive qualities of those drugs, how are you guys able to work around that?
Yes, you're absolutely right. The pain area is a very important marketplace. Patients that have pain deserve to have the best possible options available to them. And abuse deterrence and tamper-resistant technology is a new area that is very important that actually Mallinckrodt has significant capabilities within. So as we develop new pain medications, we want to make sure that we're providing those with abuse deterrent technology and tamper resistance.
So what's in your company's pipeline? Because everyone knows what you've already got now. What's coming up?
Well, we have 3 NDAs, so 3 new branded products that are in development, plus 5 additional ANDAs. And they're all in areas that we know very well, which are controlled substances, primarily to treat pain, but also to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. These 3 NDAs will be the real driver of growth for us. And again, they're primarily focused in the pain area. 2 in acute moderate pain, and 1 is a topical pain product that's used for osteoarthritis of the knee.
When we take a look at your company, we notice that you've got a great balance sheet. You don't have a lot of debt. You have a lot of assets. Do you plan on making any acquisitions?
Well, we like the financial position that we're in when we spin. We believe that we have the financial flexibility to do virtually anything that we need to do to supplement our growth. But our primary growth strategy is going to be to support those key products that I mentioned that are in our organic pipeline, and then we can add anything that we choose to that's complementary to that growth strategy. But we're going to stick to what we know, which are controlled substances. We think we really have a distinctive competitive advantage there.
Do you have any patent expiration issues?
We have some, but keep in mind that about 90% of our business is in businesses that have been around for a long time where we have a very well-established market position. So it's a pretty stable business. We'll go through some transition in our branded business over the next year or so, but the new products that are coming into our portfolio, we actually think are much more attractive than the ones we'll lose exclusivity within the next couple of years.
What is going to be the biggest impact of being an independent company?
Well, I think we have the opportunity to truly unlock the potential that's been somewhat trapped within inside Mallinckrodt. We can do that by focusing on what we do well, which is really the emphasis on controlled substances and on reformulation of well understood things. Most importantly, we think we're going to be really able to grow the company. And as you've seen, we've really demonstrated some significant growth here in fiscal 13. We would expect that over the long run to continue in a pretty big way.
All right, well, he is right. The company has had some pretty good growth, and your guidance is pretty good too, right?
It is. We've guided for fiscal 13 top-line revenue growth somewhere between 7 and 11%. We expect to be able to hit that, and that's primarily driven by our specialty pharmaceuticals business, and we think that'll also translate to good growth on the bottom line as well.
All right, well, there you have it, Mallinckrodt. You can now buy that, just purely that Mallinckrodt company. And you know what? They are feeling no pain. That's the CEO, Mark Trudeau, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.